it's Odette. Welcome back to today's video. Hope you guys are doing wonderful today. Thank you for coming, and of course I'm always happy to bring you guys another video. So today I'm going to be doing a St. Patty's Day makeup look for you guys. Of course it's a green eyeshadow look, and I was going through my eyeshadow palette collection because I thought I need another declutter, and I almost threw this palette out. This is from Revolution. This is the Revolution Pro Ultimate Eye Look palette. This is a quad, and I really love this palette. So I'm going to be going in with these two green eyeshadows today, and the packaging is quite cute. And my camera was not rolling earlier, so we're just going to continue. My face is already halfway prepped, and this is one of my favorite eye primer from Jason Wu. And of course I just went in with a brush and just blended this over my eyes, and I really like this eyeshadow base because it does help to hold the eyeshadow. So let's just reach for a brush. This is from Oscar Charles. This is a C108 brush, and we are going to just get started. So as a base, I'm just going to start with the Kat Von D palette. And this palette is so neutral. I mean, you guys know all about this palette already. And I don't think, I mean, the colors are to the back. I mean, you guys know this palette, right? You do. So I'm just going to take the deeper brown shade, and I'm just going to start as a base. And I'm going to put this all over my eyes, because I want the eyeshadow base to really grip this color. And look at how pretty that is. It's a very beautiful neutral matte. And this blends so easily over your eyes. Very pretty. I mean, if you're somebody who really loves that neutral eyeshadow look, this is a perfect palette for you. And so we're putting this brush down, and I'm going in with another clean blender brush, and this one here is from Milani. This is one of the Milani blending brushes. And now I'm going to pick up the matte green from this quad. And this green is very pigmented, so you can go in as strong as you want, or you can keep it really light. So I am just doing some really light touches on this color, and I'm just going to start right here. And I'm just going to blend. And ladies, do you see how nicely the eyeshadow blends? You must get this eyeshadow primer from Jason Wu. It is just really pretty. It's an awesome eyeshadow base, and look at how lovely this blends out, just like so. And a light touch, and I'm going to put this over the lid just lightly, and that's all I need. Okay, I don't want it to be too green. And of course, I'm holding the brush very loosely. And we just blend. And again, simple touch, okay? And this goes over the lid. You just want to make sure that both sides are even. Okay, so that looks pretty good so far. So this is my NARS Chestnut Concealer. So I'm just going to put a little bit of this on the hood of my eyes, because I just need to add the glitter. It's not a cut crease, but just so the glitter can hold. And this brush has the perfect curve, so this can give me the, you know, it gives me what I'm looking for, basically. And again, I'm going in very light with this. I don't do cut creases because I really suck at it. And so we're just going in now with another brush. And I'm going to take this soft, beautiful green glitter and put this all over my eyes. I'm going in now with my black eyeliner. Okay, so I am going in with my lashes last. So this is my LA Girl Pro Coverage High Definition Foundation. And I don't think I've used this foundation in a very, very long time. And by the way, if you see the glow on my face, this is from e.l.f. and this is the Halo Liquid. This is a Halo Glow Liquid Filter. You can use this under your makeup like I'm going to be doing today, or you can just put powder on top. Whatever your fancy would be fine. And of course, I'm going to be going in with one of my favorite concealers today. I don't usually conceal a lot because I don't put a lot of things on my face. And this is the Milani foundation brush, and we are just going to put some of this product on this brush. I mean, look at how much I'm going to be using, okay? So we're just going to put some dots all over the face, and we're just going to quickly blend. I'm just going to go in with a little more. Do you see how much I'm using? Just a tad. And that is just plenty. So we're just going to continue blending. And I'm just using the side of the brush just to get to the side of my face. And that's all the foundation I really need. And you can still see a little bit of that glow on my face, but we are going to get rid of that with powder. I'm going in with my concealer, just a little concealer today. This is from Benefit. And when I say little, guys, I mean very little, okay? I'm just going to put some just in the corner and to the side. And I'm just going to take a little brush and I'm going to blend this up and kind of avoid directly under my eyes. I love this concealer. It is so soft and it blends really, really nicely. I mean, look at how quickly that blends out. Really, really, really quickly. And we are blending this up. I am going to be using this setting powder from Miss Jaclyn Hill. And it's a lovely, lovely powder. So I'm just going to use just a very soft brush. And we're just going to set. Just like so. Do you see how lovely that is? I remember back in the days, you know, everybody was baking their faces. People don't do that shit anymore. You don't need to bake your face. So this is my NW47 powder. We're just going to go in and we're going to powder the face right now. And you notice the forehead is still shiny, right? So we are going to get rid of this shine right now. So this is my blush from Nagi Cosmetics. And I know you must be saying, I am so sick of you using this blush, okay? Go do some shopping already. The answer is hell no, okay? But I do love this blush because I think it looks really good on dark skin. The perfect, perfect, perfect shade. And just... I mean, come on. Look at how lovely that looks. Just on, do you see that? Just on the cheeks and just a little around the forehead. Just like so. That's all you need. Just on top of the cheekbone. It just highlights just a little bit of something to give you a little color on the cheeks. And that's it. It's called Goldfish. It is a lovely, lovely, lovely blush. And it's a Nigerian brand cosmetic line, and it's so good. Their products are really amazing. And today I don't really feel like going in with any heavy color on my lips, and because the eyes are green, I'm going to do something very neutral. And this is a lip gloss from Ruby Kisses, and we are going to put some of this on. Now we are going to go in with this lip liner from MAC. It's called Mahogany. And we are just going to line them lips. I'm just going to take my lip brush and blend. Okay, so the lips are done. Let me get the lashes on, and we're going to come back and complete this look. Back in a second. Okay, my loves, the eyelashes are on. You may not be able to see these eyelashes because they are only half. It flares out just a tiny bit to the side. I'm not quite sure if you can see that. Just flares nicely to the side, and it just fits in the center of my eyes. So it looks really, really, really natural. And so the last step is this Blot powder from Revlon. And so what we're going to do is we're just going to take a very small brush, and we are just going to blot away any shine from my face. Okay. Just especially around the nose area. And that's it. You don't really need to go in with a lot of stuff. So this is one of my favorite hairsprays to use on my units. This is from Carol's Daughter. It's the Black Vanilla Hydrating Leave-In Conditioner. And I just like to spray this all over my hairs. Okay, not my hairs, but all over my units. And this really helps to moisturize and keep the hair from drying out. I'm going to go in as much as I can, just spray this baby down. Okay. And there we go. Here we are, my loves. We are finished with the makeup look, and of course I'm wearing my favorite piece of jewelry today. And I know you guys must be so tired of me talking about this chunky necklace, but I absolutely love it. It goes with just about everything. And so this is the finished makeup look for today, my St. Patty's Day inspired makeup look. Very easy, very simple. And again, this is the eyeshadow palette from Revolution. Really, really nice palette. And the little goldish shimmer that you see right here, I do have a little bit of that in the corner of my eyes just to make it slightly popped out a little bit, but I kept the green really, really subtle. And this is the finished look. And of course, everything that I use on my face, I'm going to list in the description box just in case you guys want to pick it up. You don't have to do it, but just in case, you never know. And so I do hope you guys enjoy this video today. Thumbs up, leave me a comment. And of course, I shall see you guys next time for another video. Take care. Toodles.